Hi friends, this is Sanvi Verma again back to you with the new book The Bird Song. This book is based on the war and the life of people affected by the war. And this book was written by Sebastian Faulks. It's an English novel book published in year 1993. This is a 503 pages book and it is partially divided into 7 P. It's based on the 7 periods of time between the France and the England. This book comes 13th in the BBC survey and there are a lot of good comments given by the different publishers, like the newsletters also mentioned on the back cover of this page, like ambitious, outrageous, poignant, sleeping disturbing. Birdsong is not the perfect novel, just a great one. Simon Suchman by New Yorker. So you can see on the last page that there are several other comments also, and inside it also, the best thing is that Rabindranath Tagore's Gitanjali wordings are also written, which I am going to read here. Like, when I go to from hence, let this be my parting words, that what I have seen is unsuppressible. So friends, now I am going to read some phrase from the book. Like, yes, of course I do, but now that we have come this far, I want to say no, what it means. Where began to shake again as the sound of the shells came closer. It's a mixed barrage, the field gun alternating with heavily artillery intervals of. Be quiet, said Stephen. Don't torture yourself. Ware held his head in his hands. Talk to me about something Ware's fought. Talk to me about anything but this war. England, football, women, girls, whatever you like. Girls. What the men call their sweethearts. If you like, I have not thought about them for a long time. Constant shellfire is a cure for impure thoughts. I never think of women, they belong to a different existence. Ware was silent for a moment. Then he said, you know something? I have never ever been a woman. What never? Stephen looked to see if he was serious. How old are you? 32. I wanted to. I always wanted to, but it was difficult at home. My parents were very strict. One or two of the girls I asked out for the evening, well, they always wanted to get married. Then there were the working girls in the town. They would have just laughed at me. I note you intrigued to know what it is like. Yes, of course. But now it's become such an issue. It's assumed such an importance in my life that it would be difficult. So friends, as you listen that this book is basically based on the different mental levels among the soldiers during the war there. They don't want to have the war, but they want the peace. And because of the different politics, this results to the war, and this affects the civilian's life very poorly. Birdsong is a part of the trilogy written by the Sebastian Faulks. Like his previous book is The Girls at the Lion's Door, and the middle one is Birdsong, and the third one is Charlotte's Spray. This is a book which is adapted as for the several TV serials, and it's adapted for the 2 series of the TV serials in the year 2012, and there are also proposed a movie for the same. This is the book having 2 different periods in the 2 different countries. One is the France and second is the England, and there are the different category. It mentioned as the greatest reader book in the British. This is the 4th novel of the writer Faulks, and he is a journalist, and from the last 14 years, but from the year 1991 he totally dedicated his time to the writing and to entertain the world. He is living in the London with his 3 children and the family. So friends, this is our review for the book Birdsong. As I told you that this is a book based on the war and the families' lives, how it affects over the families of the countries which are participating in the war. So it's my request to all the countries that please say no to the war and live a happy life. And stay connected with us on our YouTube channel Book Maestro for the new book and reviews.